Welcome again. Today we will study Küçük Ünlü Uyumu, Small Harmony of Vowels. But at the beginning, let's remember what we studied already. Now we know that there are 29 letters in Turkish language and 8 of them are vowels. And we saw that there are two groups in vowels, right? Kalın ünlüler and İnce ünlüler. Hard vowels and soft vowels, right? And after that, we learned how we can use big harmony of vowel and what is important for us. And according to that, if the first syllable includes kalın ünlü a, I, o, u, in that case, the other vowels are gonna be a, I, o, u. Or if the first syllable includes e, I, ö, ü, in this case, the other vowels are gonna be e, I, ö, ü, and this is called as büyük ünlü uyumu, right? Big harmony of vowels. Remember? So, let's continue, but first of all, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and make a comment if you have any questions. Send a like if you like the video. Teşekkür ederim. So, let's start. At the beginning, let's remember. A, I, o, u, kalın. E, I, ö, ü, ince, right? Right now, we are gonna look at those vowels in different way. A, E, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. A, E, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. And this is düz ünlüler, yuvarlak ünlüler. Düz means flat, yuvarlak means round. Düz ünlüler, yuvarlak ünlüler. Okay? And A, E, O, Ö, I, U, Ü. A, E, O, Ö, I, U, Ü. And this is geniş ünlüler, dar ünlüler. Geniş means wide, dar means narrow. Okay. So, A, I, O, U, I, Ö, Ü. Kalın, ince. Büyük ünlü uyumu. Big harmony of vowels, right? And now we are gonna check small harmony of vowels. Küçük ünlü uyumu. So, let's see that one a little bit different. Geniş ünlüler, dar ünlüler. Düz ünlüler, yuvarlak ünlüler. On the first table. And we know kalın ünlüler, ince ünlüler, right? So we are gonna use the second table here. It will be more understandable for us. And we are gonna continue. Okay? So, according to küçük ünlü uyumu, there are two main rules in küçük ünlü uyumu. The first one, if the first syllable of the word has a, I, a, I, in this case, in the next syllable has to have a, I. Here, we are not checking the whole word. We are looking at the syllable, only syllable by syllable, okay? So according to that, a, I are gonna be a, I, okay? So, let's look at that. The first syllable a, I. The second syllable will be a, I. So I am looking araba, the car. The first syllable has a. The first vowel is a. So in this case, the next vowel is gonna be a, I. And I am looking at the next, and it is a again. Okay. So here I am checking the rule from the beginning. A, I. So I have a. After a has to be a, I. And what we have? Again a. Okay. So küçük ünlü uyumu. The rule is working here. The next one. Sıcak. It means hot. Sıcak. So the first vowel is I. Right? So after I has to be a, I. And yes, there is a. So the rule is working here too. Okay? Merhaba. Merhaba. The first vowel is e. Okay. And after e has to be a, I. And the second vowel is a. Okay. So right now I am looking only at the second vowel. And I have a. After a has to be a, I. Right? I'm checking and ah, okay. So here, small harmony of vowel is working, right? Küçük ünlü uyumu is working. But there is an important rule here. If the big harmony of vowel is not working for the word, in that case, we are not looking for small harmony of word. Okay? It is really important. If the büyük ünlü uyumu is not working, we are not looking for küçük ünlü uyumu. Merhaba. The first vowel is e. It is ince, soft, right? And it means that other ones has to be soft, ince. But a and a. So here büyük ünlü uyumu is not working on the word merhaba. Do you understand? So because büyük ünlü uyumu, big harmony is not working here. Therefore I am not looking for küçük ünlü uyumu, small harmony. Understand? So it's important. First we are looking at büyük ünlü uyumu. If it's working, then we are looking for küçük ünlü uyumu. If büyük ünlü uyumu is not working, no need to look for küçük ünlü uyumu at all. Understand? Let's continue. And the second rule. Okay, let's check. If the first syllable has o, ö, u, ü, in that case, the next syllable has to have a, e, u, ü. O, ö, u, ü. After that will be a, e, u, ü. Okay? So let's try to understand. Öğrenci, student, öğrenci. The first one is ö. So as I know, after ö has to be a, e, u, ü. I'm checking. And yes, there is e. Okay, the rule is working. So right now here the vowel is e. I just studied that. After e has to be a, e, I, right? A, e, I. So right now I'm checking syllable by syllable, vowel by vowel. So after e there is I. So the rule is working, right? We just studied. So small harmony is working here. And what about the big harmony? Let's check again. Ö, e, I. So the first one is ö. It is soft. And the others, e, I, they are also soft. So big harmony is working. And as we see right now, small harmony is also working in this word. For this word. Okay. Ürünler. Ürünler. Ürünler. Ürün means product. And ürünler, products. Ürünler. The first letter is Ü. So in that case, after Ü has to be A, E, U, Ü. And I'm checking. Yes, there is Ü again. So right now I have Ü. After Ü has to be A, E, U, Ü. And I'm checking again. And yes, there is E. The rule is working. Understand? Okumak. It's a gлагол. Okumak. So the first one is O. After O has to be A, E, U, Ü, right? And I am checking, and yes, there is U. Right now, I have U. After U, I have to have A, E, U, Ü. And yes, I have A. And the rule is working. What about big harmony? As you see, big harmony is already working on these words. Okay? Let's continue. So, if the first syllable has A, E, U, I, the next syllable are gonna have A, E, U, I. And we are checking syllable by syllable each time. If the first syllable has O, Ö, U, Ü, the next syllable have to have A, E, U, Ü. This is small harmony of vowels. Küçük ünlü uyumu. And for example, anlamak. A. After A, there is A. Okay. A. After A, there is A. Okay. The rule is working. Çalışmak. Çalışmak. A. After A has to be A, E, I. And there is what we have. We have Okay. The rule is working. Right now, After ı has to be a, e, I, e. And we have a. Okay, the rule is working. Düşünmek, düşünmek. Ü. After ü, we have to have a, e, ü. And yes, we have ü. Okay, now, again we have ü. After ü, we are gonna have a, e, ü, right? So, let's check. And yes, we have e. The rule is working. Or. Of course, there are some exceptions, such as alkol, otobüs, televizyon, profesör, profesör. So as you see, these words are foreign words. They are from other languages. Alkol, otobüs, televizyon, profesör. And as you know, alkol, bus, big bus, televizyon, televizor, profesör, professor, right? And there are some Turkish words, but although they are completely Turkish, the rule is not working here either. Kavurma, Yağmur, Çamur, Yavuz. It happens. And the other rule is the letter O. The letter O. It can never be in anywhere except the first syllable. This is the rule of Turkish language. So yes, there are some words like televizyon, o, naylon, o, limon, o, otobüs, o, İzmir ya delal ü, but it will be o. Otobüs, o, so o is the second one here. Or televizyon, o is the last one here, right? So, it happens mostly on the words that we got from other languages, but according to Turkish rule, the Turkish origin words cannot have any o in other syllables at all. Okay, so there are that kind of rules, exceptions, and if you see that o is somewhere in the middle, not on the first one, in that case it means that small harmony, küçük ünlü uyumu is not working at all. You can understand that. Okay. And what we learned Turkish alphabet together, right? And after that, we learned how we can pronounce Turkish alphabet. Then we studied bu nedir? Bu kimdir? What is this? Who is this? We remember. Then we check about büyük ünlü uyumu, big harmony of vowels. And according to büyük ünlü uyumu, we learned plural forms, çoğul ekleri. And right now we learned küçük ünlü uyumu, küçük ünlü uyumu. So we learned so many things right now, and we are gonna study and we are gonna learn more every day, I hope. So thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please send a like. Teşekkür ederim. Görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın.